again. Mentally, you move it. I'm gonna say why I'm in feel one cause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
The journey. And so you're saying a share with the journey is nice. You're about to chink como. Nan come to train the air strong cocora. Meaning so see and so Abena Ghana. Aye. And the Debia made it before, but you're not so many for a bebremo or Adum TVs. Nan Sanano, may for a cedar Emma above 4 months so yasin and I watch you be a timid Jumedi a bro. A time here by Mr. or some malaria dear. Where you are any time, where real time no. Now the give us clean care SCC fee, na bibia aye kama yeria. Yan for lip tomato paste and ye duani and ye day. And then me guest Isaac. Oh, is Isaac Bay? Annie Isaac of mental fame and any baby children como and what the Jenny so Papa Aquaba.
Mammy, me do so.
It won't catch it.
Michelle Ho.
Bibiaboko.
Eradiadum, Bibiaboko.
Na bravo Jenny Necose.
Yanko Padum. Baby, eradiadino. Yadanasi.
Answer your best at no. Pacho. Most of Monium ehiti pa. It is a bit one or the see and on Kai Isaac cry. Meaning so to new way we are. It must be oh Isaac, me patch fire for new me patch of my teacher.
Oh, me yame, domme, me yame domme. Namajin choir su Christo domme, me yame domme. Not the Jemo for a sham mano de. Metsuma man sanyin nante. Now I can't send the day, be a good massimo day. Men can't try to see a man in that day. So, mammy.
Hold my cow. Era
the door, man, that's a mano. It's on trial. Never did to me on the morning, my bino. I know you. Why are you? Why are you? I can't crabby. Now I'm a man, so waffle. Nakamene wampona eja weni kumi hui akaka krebi na wa mama yeso bofu nakamene wampona eja weni kumi hui.
Hey, voice and sayo. Nice got mommy afio sa.
Michelle Ho.
I then what happened yen film I then now for some time yen Isaac in car there's no single there's no collabo yen wonka I mean
no say music industry no ebe ye bibi kakra enti na wo say ye de hu sie but enche recently my enyum foforo I enche cry about one
so dey oba eja
easy onyankopon adumunti
yanko back to time our Bandex wo e dey nkwa na ye ya wo free Bandex
oh BBIC oh say sometimes you know say when obi ye adwuma na say company be ye adwuma na say o expectations when you were to me SSA they decided so person will join a different company only person on the adwuma.
Okay, so that's what happened but
any Bandex any problem
na yen hwe say o free Bandex wo aboa that time say o free Bandex no say o kono aboa with your career
me free ho no Ashasi no my nyane easy sir but as time goes on me will say nyoma epic and radiado metumi I record on more than 7 tracks bonting.
Oh yeah, beautiful. How many years now what you
me free Bandex I think say 2014
not just we're looking at 7 years.
Yeah, about 6 to 7 years.
6 to 7 years. No, 6 years will be 2022. Like 8 years now. And I'll free Bandex. So for 8 years, you need no music.
No music.
You are just home.
Yes.
Home now. What are you doing?
I was working on it.
And you're easy.
Oh, say
for 8 years now you're working on tracks.
So I hope I say would BB.
Ebana
solid.
So a
papa is like.
Na last year,
now only 2 meetings also take you time then you work on it properly.
Okay.
What you mean? At the ababonte.
Okay.
Yeah, but aside that, na me year one or two things bit.
Okay. And to say you better say Isaac abua no ho. Yeah. Because the industry you say gospel is
shit.
Easy. But more time those days night very easy to penetrate.
Yeah.
But then no e mo ye shintia ho bo pa be na why you better say Isaac is ready like you are ready.
Okay. Ahomboa my any say and this time around the Babons, very different from previous ones I had the Abano. And even my English songs Abrofonyombe,
okay,
Mienu and Amiensa.
Okay.
And my boy Radem Pie said this time around and also buy before more bit me as a son yoma Kakramami.
Okay.
Yeah.
The time now we 3 we'll see and Ampon. No more relationship to saying.
Very
same house.
Very powerful. Very powerful. Yeah.
It's at the end of the team on Tim.
We are still together. Just and your man ain't far ember bonting, but me fresi, me frey ampon.
Okay.
Yeah, see what you
yeah. Okay. See I worry. Ampon worry. Na Isaac.
Me ba me worry.
Aden Isaac.
Enche. E bia fia.
Asa Isaac twitwa ne maso.
Me ba
see I worry. Ampon worry. Aden Isaac see enche.
This year nyame adomwa.
Okay, because as a gospel artist, when say outside you're different, but Africa, they can say Ghana. There's this perception says a bema worry na or tonyum no worry as or hunson say and that thing is it helping the industry? Sans pressure be about say oba open or so worry.
No, I want to say no individual no, you're very careful.
You're very careful.
And just be making the wrong choice because ministry na ya dey be we hear about but say what say. They are all qua obeti meja or say ko obeji we say obeji we said dia wo ye no ono so e support you but ankobane sa na wo ma pressure no if you are bonten no be to so bebre a menu aba hwene ya no obey the biggest mistake of your life.
Okay,
it na will take you time na wo boy radem pai said obey obeyi di obeti wase no ne obenante ache since obefa nem tem so no do be doing finfi no better than wager.
More the peak of your time no. Once na no more dimbiana.
The Trinity.
But no I should akosha but I just say Ampon C and Isaac. Start time no na we a massem.
Me ba sure that.
Isaac. It's not hard dream papa.
Umi sa me hard dream kra.
Sa.
Ba sure why.
Kaswa hono.
Me hard dream kra. Me hard drink cry.
Kasone see apple koso.
Apple.
As a career apple.
Oh, Dabi. Apple maybe in the turn traffic.
It's a Eve day. Where traffic one. Ghana full. Madam cancer marine.
I say
it is a say Dinah on the concept all year. Now we have I think couple of them. Bed 3 gospel programs. Ohima Mercy, Tahila, Dinah Hamilton, so I need and I think Empress Gift is so also air planning something like Trace or something. And see, as you are coming back with that kind of dream now, you are prepared, Do you have in mind they say also best set something for yourself? A drew Obiabeka say this is for Isaac, so all of us are going to support. This is for Nyame Mantie Yento take it. Na Yenko Sumu Nyame na Bibisa. Do you have it in mind now that you really want to be there? One person say they Enko Bio say the 8 years in the Isaac Inka. That thing, do you have it in mind?
I have that in mind now. Me boy Radim Paye say by the grace of God. By the end of this year, January, December, a very big program.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's in the pipeline. It's in the Bohumpaye. Many manager didn't come. And I know bigger programs are ahead. It's in the
bigger programs are ahead. Now we call outside. Year programs ni shows near day. Ever since I was free, Bandex no. What mean that opportunity to travel to do your ministry? And I'll free one day.
Yeah, I traveled once with C.
With C, okay.
You call Netherlands. You feel you call Norway.
Okay.
Yeah. You sign back to Ghana. Social
media, your board to see. There are a lot of blogs true about you. Say you had serious issue with your boss. I asked earlier, is there something that you are hiding? I don't want to talk about it because the way I was brushing, when you read a lot about it, they said there was a serious issue.
And yes, many Bandex was serious issue. It was boss to employee.
Okay.
And whatever the case na asamnetiano. And yeah, asamwa. We've already talked about it.
You've solved it.
We are solved, and even on radio, I apologize to Bandex on radio. Yeah, it's
So you were wrong. And now we are quadanti, you just have to accept it.
Let's say I was wrong.
You were wrong.
And I made Jamie from so to me. And I'm a panichel.
Okay.
Timini Bandex in
issue. So now that Isaac wants to come back, now that we know Isaac the voice, now over back, what to two near maybe a way and the cania, Ambua will say, and Naya was new management, woman in CPM.
And there no credit, won't say, in penny for Booby say, the old Chasano, or names in the chia. And you may 1 or 2 be an name say a call wrong. This time around, me ya kwalabi.
Okay.
Nipa wuni so I think say you need to learn a lot.
Yeah.
Into no mesu nyoma bebre. Into Emeka say me who said there was say me to toma kwan me me to me na esi said there be ya e bia me nkotia pani bia na so ana say me nkotia kwada bia na so. I believe say this time around I'm ready.
You are ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, call Aqua Jane Krato Yeba. Yeba judgment. Yakoji and Krato about Uguswa I heard the Jenny Adum TV. So and then me guest Isaac and I nene chichi and Komo. Papa.
Mommy.
Yahoo say also these 7 new tracks and Eba.
Yeah.
My bini and Ray. Maybe and say yes. Isaac is really ready for the game.
Me pacho mate. Mini minyame amajinu edintino misirodi obone fono beye mini minyame amajinu edintino misirodi eni peyo mini minyame amajinu edintino misirodi eni pe kanwati ani dini jiseso ni dini Messiah oya Abraham Nyankopon no menhia no anka masei ye ni dini jiseso ni dini Messiah oya Jacob Nyankopon no menhia no anka masei
Onyu munyina ya te se SD ana we SD ni
ba cho dabi
na ade na omo reading the way amonyum ana se wo hu se ho na ade fa ya efa mo won ana
eye adoma chede na de metumi aka kakra fa ho ne se na me ubia me pe ampon nyomo pa
and ampon ya
SD
okay
nti me pe ne nyomo pa me ti ne nyomo bia no a se obi onim takrade yi no from efie kuma to market circle na kwan kakra wom but me nante ko market circle ko to ampon cassette those days na ye cassette me ko to be fie be bo ti na me pe ne nyomo pa Sam say, I don't know Nyankopon share your day. Actually,
Rebecca say Ampon was a mentor to you.
Yeah, sure.
And you wouldn't what funny maybe every Ampon.
Yeah.
And the time you had that privilege to be with him, now your group, no, woman who that's all looking up to him.
Of course.
And what was his response?
I say, Obekaya, I TV3 mentor, they make you watch me so cry.
Okay.
I die ye me free mono, they have victim, me to Ampon. So now come at you no be a more anka winning. Aha. Sanyum na metu ya idea victim. And then ma Bandex ni Ampon in a fast to say. Any ombe family no. Yeah. And
then I bought my own room. A shrine. Okay, auntie. Now no, you said this is where you are going. Or to Tuniama, a good crime say. Bibia ebe kama fayen fa o journey of life abrabo no ahyase no I ba ya na ye hu Isaac everybody know Isaac come like how the journey started.
We dey we be sasemo ahyase free takrade
okay
afie kuma number 1
afie kuma yaze
wa wo sha ya brother Kenata ehwa
ehwa
na ahyase free na metonyom ewa sorry Christ the King Catholic Church we fie kuma hono mo a nti no emu ana mete mentor medical audition
okay
onyankopon ya adomo a nipa ba ko efri mo mo de me replace nipa no na before mentor no na like it wasn't easy to I'm from a family of 7
okay
na me me siblings na ye wo ho na nyankopon ya adomo metumi nya akwanya no a me de ba TV3 mentor yeah.
Okay, so that is just the journey.
That's just
no hustle bustle like nothing.
Oh, me kakra. Me ye concrete kakra.
Okay.
So me ka concrete a one more me concrete no mo ti ase.
Sir.
Yeah.
But so concrete ni dey.
Construction.
And ka ho na na ma adwen almost was away kakra no. No, listen, you just have to explain better.
Okay.
Things like this no inspire obi.
Yeah, sure.
That's why we have the journey.
Yeah.
inspire obi to me to obi abrabo no so enya rechichira man abrabo ono so enya hope man abrabo. So when you are sharing, just be free to share, because without the past there's no future. You know, and without struggling, there will no be success. So, echo together, things be over. Echo together. Not nyami any munyam etini adedi. Nyami any munyam ever dead. You try your home encouraging krato yeba is still the J. Yakoji enkrato aba oguswa the Jenny ewo Adum TV so enemy guest Isaac yeka Isaac of Mental Fame ani oni ne ne chichin komo ewo dwumadie iso. Papa,
Mommy,
I don't know more course our reality show in our relaxes.
Occasion with the mood.
I say more obia relaxing. Na mumpe bibia na reality show for the name one.
For me, a show so be a baby.
Baby.
Yeah, because you know, say I believe say nanka I was saying penny for no our more year program on her or to me at Nancy baby a farm a pushy one more like say woman in our crown will be a first, second, third, fourth. No mutimi to me. That's one for Tia Boboma. Being so na one a be ama or more crime for no ambo because you're near mammy, but yet say a wonka. Okay. Let's see, WhatsApp group. I was more day. Let's see, but now what can bomb the collabo I bet you and the social media just we have the audio mark, we have what yesterday boom play, we have YouTube, everything is possible. Yeah. Ain't it one mother wrong? Me someone does me sure say that. No, but the talent goofy. Because Andy is talented, Prince, my just all of them. All of them. More platforms so much almost so mad that the dom sorry baby be cry no more share. Omo any nedi mo me da mo sorry o omo share. Ya da say so safre wa obaye ya da say ya hu niam bebre Isaac is back, and then there is a lot of things in patrol. Oh, social media handles we can follow Afatu Jana, then follow to get your music. Me patrol mate. Facebook ni Isaac Nana Asan. Isaac Nana Asan. Na Instagram ni Isaac Music 32. Isaac Music 32. Yeah. Isaac Music 32. Yeah. Isaac Nana Asan. Yes, please. Our Facebook and Instagram is Isaac Music 32. To move follow na bibia obeye bia motimi a support na bibia aye kama. Enchia message bia opesa wo de ma adofo e wo fie. Okay. Ne di kan enchia kase pa no ye de asede ma onyankopon. Ono na wa ma akwenya ya ba ma yetumi ehia ye di nkomo. Afei so no me di enchia kase pa ekoma me papa. Osofo Apostle Gilbert Kube or General Secretary Emma the Lord's Pentecostal Church. Okay. And me papa back D4 say me nana ono so eda asori Nourish Faith Chapel International. Okay. Was Pentex. Bichia me mama Mercy eni ni kuno ewo Kaswa. Any me boss 2IC Global Iradi Show Mr. Doji Nyamenya Okesi Yatibel Iradi Show Solomon Gideon Iradi Enshow Bibia mami ohwaife Iradi Show oni we crew no nyina Iradi Nyamokesi medamase Adum TV mpanyifo nyina nso nchia we ekoma mo mpanyifo nyina nchia enkoma mo na ahwe wo ka sa woko iyade ba akoma me ya semu we dey see nana ko ah okay ai wo de mami anache se oh eh maybe abas dey fridge ya chede eti we dey ice obo. Okay, so the Jenny forced me bisa say what can a person do to attract your attention? Wow. The empire no be be part me the attraction me ankasa person na say what can someone do to attract you? Okay. Make us a new mommy, you know. Okay, back home, good food. Good food. Yeah. On what you papa my yeah. Ajino. And I didn't view. And yes, back on the bit with the free. I can't. It's yes. A way to a man's heart is two things. So you know already. Good food and hey, with the way I can give you.
Yeah, that's so bad. Yeah,
All right.
it's been amazing having him on the show. And then many Isaac of Mental Fame and Adrian Como. What the Jenny so and I bring me a dinner watching Jumadi AC na me kai some patch wait me follow me on Instagram Abena Ghana official and then please subscribe to your YouTube channel Abena Ghana TV now what me video seen all the interviews na ya so far ni na asida enkoma Adom TV mpenyufo say yetimi enya season 5 yeah like the journey is 1 year now yada masi yada boafo ase o maso ya sen midi e de Abena Ghana bonga half this year ena medi jumadi besi nansa na medi besi no Isaac e de be wi into ofia enjoy
I said I say wo ampa eradie aye say wo ampa opa DJ nanka me da for me nyame wa mama sorry oh I said I say wo ampa nanka me da from papa wa mama sorry I said I say wo ampa I said I say wo ampa eradie aye say wo ampa opa DJ nanka me da for me nyame wa mama sorry oh I said I say wo ampa nanka me da from papa wa mama sorry I said I say wo ampa
yada masi
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear. Cause when you fall